Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. In this video, we are going to see Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shiksha Vritti Yojana 2020-2021 Maharashtra. And this is the scholarship has been sponsored by Higher and Technical Education Department of Government of Maharashtra. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKIs, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shiksha Vritti Yojana 2020-2021 Maharashtra for professional and non-professional courses. This is the scholarship is particularly given for professional as well as a non-professional course approved by DHE, that is the Director of Higher Education at a government or government-aided universities or colleges. And the last date to apply for this scholarship is 30th June 2021. The Department of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra invite application from the students taking admission in a professional or a non-professional courses under the Directorate of Higher Education for Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shiksha Vritti Yojana 2020-2021 Maharashtra. The scholarship is available for the students coming from economically weaker section of the society. The selected students can receive up to 100% tuition fee and examination fee. That is very important. 100% tuition fees and examination fee in this particular scholarship the students are going to receive. Who will be the eligible for this particular scholarship? The applicant must be a domicile of Maharashtra or belonging to the border of Maharashtra state and Karnataka state, that is the Belgaum. Now Belgavi nowadays it is called as, so that particular district Maharashtrian also will be eligible for this particular scholarship. And applicant must be pursuing a professional and non-professional courses approved by Director of Higher Education at a government and a government-aided university and colleges. Have an annual family income less than 8 lakh rupees. Yes, it should be annual income should be less than 8 lakh rupees and have taken admission under the general category. Yes, the normal category, not been given a capitation fee and all. So he has taken a normal admission. Note, the first 2 children of a family can apply for this scholarship. Yes, as per the government or central government, from the family only 2 children can apply for any government scholarships. Students who have taken admission in part-time courses or distance education are not eligible for this scholarship. They have clearly mentioned that those students who has taken already admission in the distance education online, they are not been eligible for this particular scholarship. Now what they are going to get the benefit from this scholarship, the selected student will receive up to 100% tuition fees and examination fees. What are the documents we will require? Domicile certificate issued by an authority, officials, yes, government authorities are giving the domicile certificate that is required. That is the valid certificate for the residents of Maharashtra. Annual income certificate of the previous year issued by the authorized official. Yes, the last year's income certificate has to be there whose income should be less than 8 lakh rupees. CAP related documents. Yes, those who are going for a CAP admissions, application for B.Ed, law, M.Ped or BPed students, they can have the CAP related letters. If documents which are will require in that, gap related document, if you have any gap, so that gap certificate is required. Family declaration certificate about 2 children. Attendance certificate, previous year mark sheet is required. How you can apply? Eligible candidate can apply for this scholarship through the step by step. We can go first. Apply now button below. Click on new application registration. So these are the directly you have to go to the portal of Buddy for Study, scholarship portal. On that portal you have to go and click over there and make a registration with your Gmail account or Facebook account or your mobile number or WhatsApp number, whichever number is there. With that number, you have to register over there, and from there you have to redirect for this particular scholarship, that is the Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Shulk Shikshavritti Yojana 2020-2021. And once you get this one OTP and all that, you have to complete that process. And after completing process, user and a password, complete the application form. Once you are directed, apply, upload all the whatever the documents which are required. Once you see this one, then see that whatever things you have been filled, then apply for, click the button, then you have to apply for the scholarship. Those who are going for a renewal, they can go apply for the renewal. The student who has not have a gap of 2 years during the course, 1 year gap is okay, but 2 years gap, the students are not eligible for this scholarship. Applicant should be attend every annual examination or semester exam. He should not be leave any one of the exam. Application should not avail any other scholarship or stipend. Once he has got this particular scholarship, he has to reject, or he should not take the other scholarships. And there will be a helpline number, contact number is given 022, that is Bombay, 491508800. That is the contact number is there, and last date is the 30th June. I hope this is clear. Those professional and non-professional courses, degree course, they can apply. So BA, BSc, B.Ed, BPed, BCS, all these what we have, the diploma, the degree courses which are there, that non-professional. And professional, what we have is the engineering is a professional one, medical is a professional one, MPed, BPed. So these are the professional courses are there. So that also will be eligible, professional as well as non-professional. I request the viewers, if you are the eligible one, you can apply for the scholarship. If it is not there, you can see in your surrounding, in your family, in family close friends, or your in groups. Share this video with your friends so that anyone, the deserving candidates can get, and he can get the scholarship, and he has to achieve his goal, ambition. By supporting this scholarship, he can complete its education. Thank you. Have a nice day.